I just woke up, and it's first day spring break, and not in a very good mood, because everything sucks right now. So, because I live in this amazing, extravagant city, right? But I came from this stupid town in Indiana. And then, like, now every, like, weekend and every time I don't have school, I have to be here. And it sucks a lot, because I don't want to be here. I have friends over there, and I can't see them because I have to be here. So, it kind of sucks a lot. Yeah, there's my life for you. It sucks. So, yeah. Comment, subscribe. I'll be making videos a lot this week because I have nothing to do. Because I'm in a stupid hellhole. So, comment my page, comment videos, send me a message. Oh, by the way, I'm sick, if I haven't already mentioned that. So, peace out.